Open it up.
Oh, book.
It's broke? No, it's not broke. Open up the cabinet, Bubba. Violet, be quiet. Open up the cabinet, Bubba. Oh, it's broke. Oh, I wonder who did that. Was it Dada? Was it Dada who ended up doing that? Oh, broke. Violet, be quiet.
Book.
It broke? No, it didn't break. Go open up the cabinet. Go open up the cabinet. Oh, bro. Oh, no, I can't do that. Oops. Broke.
Book.
Broke. Can't open it up. Try it again, Bubba. Try it again. Oh, broke. Can you get Dada some candy? There's some candy in there, Bubba. Open it up.
You are so mean.
Oh, don't do that. See, he's gonna ace me. Watch when he aces
I
me.
know, he's gonna fucking open that.
Are you gonna ace me, buddy? Ace me. Ace me.
Like, I've got your candy right here.
Oh my. Open up the cabinet. Or are you gonna open up the fridge? You can't open up the fridge?
Oh,
But you know what you can open up, right? Declan, what can you open up? You can't open that up, huh? Ace Daddy. Ace Daddy. Go Ace Daddy. Checkmate.